Air shipping from China to Nigeria takes about 7 to 10 days, highest 14 days, right? It is that fast. However, it is expensive. Do you understand me? There is something I want to explain in this video. It is so important, so please do me this favor, do yourself this favor as well. If you're into importation from China, watch this video to the very end. So some of you want to start importing items from China. You want to start making use of 1688 app, and you want these items to come in very, very fast. You want to see what you bought as soon as possible. Trust me, the fastest shipping route is the air shipping. You can see your items within 7 days. As a matter of fact, if you're using the express delivery, you can even get your item delivered within 3 days. For people that import phones and they prefer to use the express delivery, within 3 days your package is right here in Nigeria. But you need to understand that this route is expensive. Shipping through air is expensive. Now, if you're buying things in bulk and these are items you want to resell, it is not advisable at all for you to ship through air. You're buying things in bulk. I mean, these are items you want to resell, you want to make profit from at the end of the day. You have no business with air shipping. Just ensure you have enough patience to wait for your items for 2 months, 3 months if you're using sea shipping. Sea shipping takes longer time, about 45 to 60, sometimes even 90 days, which is 3 months, but it is way cheaper than air shipping. Now, why am I making this video? Why am I explaining all this to you? One of my students, one of my mentees, sent me a message yesterday. So that's what actually prompts me to make this video. She sent me a message yesterday that she's using air shipping to ship in some items she bought from China. And I remember she placed order earlier this year, I think around January, that second week or third week of January. She placed order and she made use of sea shipping, and those items have not arrived yet, because she estimated that it should be arriving in 2 months, but it has not arrived. It's not even up to 2 months, right? It has not arrived. So because of the season we are in, the Sandler season, the Easter season, she wants to bring in things as fast as possible so she can sell within this period. It is actually season for kiddies vendors, fashion items to sell. So she sells kiddies items and she wants to bring in her goods using air shipping so she can sell. Now, she has actually bought this product and she opted for air shipping. Now, the shipping company went ahead to, give her the breakdown of what her cost will look like. I must actually applaud the shipping company, because it is not every shipping company that will give you a breakdown of your cost before they ship your items. To be honest, immediately I saw the breakdown, I said, no, this is expensive. And if it is some other shipping company, they will just go ahead and ship out these items, and when it arrives they will give you your total and you'll be like, how is it this high? So this shipping company is one I recommend so much. If you've gone through any of my training and you asked me for shipping company, you will know I recommend this shipping company a lot, because it is a shipping company that I have been working with. I have worked with several shipping companies, but you see this particular one, I have been working with them since last year, and so far so good. They are so plain. They are so plain. They don't have any hiding thing to do. Do you understand me? So I want to show you guys the message she sent me yesterday, so that you will understand why I'm saying if you're buying in bulk, if you're buying to resell, please go for sea shipping. So guys, you can see the message that the shipping company sent to her. She had 2 different packages. One is 13 kg and the other one is 67 kg, and she wanted to use air cargo for both of them. Immediately I saw that 67 kg, I was like, no, this is quite high for you to go ahead and use air. So what I did was to calculate for her what the estimated cost will be, the shipping and clearing, what it will be, because this shipping company already told her that air freight is 8.3 USD per kg. And then normal clearing fee is 1,000 naira per kg. And they're asking, can we ship goods to Onitsha? Please confirm. They want her to reconfirm again. Now, I want to use this shipping rate to show you all practically how to calculate your estimated air shipping cost if your shipping company gives you a breakdown like this. So let's go to my notes. So we'll be calculating for this one that is 67 kg, the big one, 67 kg, and then you can see that the shipping freight is 8.3 dollar per USD. So I'm gonna write here the total kg we are calculating for. Total kg we are calculating for is 67 kg, right? And the shipping company is charging 8.3 USD. 8.3, sorry, not 7, 8.3 USD per kg. Note, per 1 kg it is 8.3, and then they are charging 1,000 naira per kg for clearing, right? Per kg for clearing. Now, before we can know what the total will be in naira, we need to first of all convert this 8.3 USD to naira. So we need to convert this 8.3 USD to naira. Now, before you'll be able to convert this, you need to know what the current dollar rate is. That's the black market rate. Please note, you're not making use of Google rate, you're making use of the black market rate. So I did some exchange yesterday with my aboki guy that usually does my exchange for me, and I was able to exchange $1 for 1,390 naira as at yesterday. So as at yesterday, 1 USD equal to 1,390 naira. That's the rate as at yesterday. So now, in order to convert this 8.3 USD, we are just going to multiply it by 1,390 to get the equivalent in naira. Do you understand? So we're going to go to my calculator right now. So this is my calculator. 8.3 multiplied by 1,390, 1,390 naira. We have a total of 11,537, right? Hope you're following it. If this isn't, just ensure you understand what I'm doing here. So now the shipping rates, in naira is 11,000. Let me just paste it. 11,537. 11,537. Please, we are not done. Remember that this shipping company is charging us 1,000 naira per kg for clearing. So you're going to add 1,000 naira to this 11,000. You're going to add 1,000 naira to this 11,537, so that we can get both the shipping and the clearing per 1 kg. So let's go back to our calculator. This is what we have for shipping. Then we're going to add the 1,000 naira for clearing. It's giving us a total of 12,537. So this 12,537 naira now you're seeing is what the shipping company will charge you for both shipping and clearing per 1 kg. Are you following? Let me put it down here. Note that this 12,537 is in naira now. So I have this. Let me write it in naira so that when you're watching it, you understand. Naira per kg for shipping and clearing. So this is what you're paying for shipping and clearing when your goods arrive per kg, 12,537. Now, to calculate for this 67 kg, remember that her items, the weight is 67 kg. 67 kg. Now, in order to get to the total, you just multiply this 12,537 by 67 kg. It is that straightforward. So let's come back here. Our total for shipping and clearing multiplied by her total weight, which is 67 kg, is giving us a total of 839 naira. 839. Did I say 839 naira? No, it is not that cheap. 839,000. Do you understand now? 839,979. That's the total for just 67 kg when you're using air cargo. Can you see how expensive this is? So let's put it here. So what you'll be paying, or what she will be paying if she goes ahead to ship this item through air, she'll be paying a total of 839 naira. So approximately, you can approximate this and get to the nearest 100. Is it 1,000 or 100 now? We can approximate it to 840,000 naira. Yeah, to the nearest thousand, right? So 840,000 naira. That's what you'll be paying if you're to ship 67 kg worth of goods from China to Nigeria and you're making use of air. You're paying 840. It is quite high, my people. It is quite high. I know you want to, bring down these goods as fast as possible, but please calculate. If you put this into calculation and at the end of the day you're going to make profit from the items you're buying, good and fine, go ahead and bring it in. But if you plus one or two together with this particular air rate and you see that you're not going to make profit, or you even be running at loss, it makes no sense, right? So you just patiently hold on, ship your items through sea. Now, the people I advise to actually make use of the air shipping route is for people that are buying sample products. Do you get me? See, I'm buying sample products. I'm buying one or two from different suppliers just because I want to see the quality of the item. I can conveniently make use of air shipping. Or if I'm buying lightweight products, and this lightweight product, make sure you're not buying in bulk. Say I'm buying hair, I'm buying glasses, I'm buying jewelries. These are all lightweight products. I can conveniently make use of air shipping. Last year, I bought 2 CCTV cameras for my store and I made use of air shipping. I actually have a video of that on this channel, right? It's the total weight for those 2 CCTV cameras was about 4 kg, right? About 4 kg, and I made use of air. I think the total for shipping was about 60,000 naira thereabout. So that's because it's a small package and I want it to come in as fast as possible. You understand? So, but if you're buying things in bulk, my sister, my brother, be patient, okay? Yours might take just about 45 days and it will be here in Nigeria. Yours can take 60 days, it is here in Nigeria. Just be patient, because at the end of the day, you want to be able to buy these products, make profit from them. For those of you that are buying to resell, make profit from them. So please, that is it. Learn this. You can watch this again. Learn how to calculate the shipping cost even before you ship, so that you'll be able to make the best decision, either to use air or to use sea. And make sure you're working with good and legit shipping companies that will actually break things down for you like this, that will make things more understandable for you. Don't work with shipping companies that are so rude. They don't have time to explain things to their customers. You'll be frustrated when you're working with such shipping company. Some of you will be asking me, Onye, what's the name of this shipping company? This particular shipping companies, I give it to my mentees, to my students. Okay, I teach you how to import from China. We have 70 plus manufacturers contacts. If you want to go through my training or any of my classes, you can do well to send me a WhatsApp message. My WhatsApp number is on the screen. Or if you want to buy 70 plus manufacturers contacts, we have a particular downloadable on seller right now. There you get up to 70 plus tested, trusted manufacturers on 1688 that you can buy different items from, ranging from fashion items, household items, a whole lot, guys. Over 70 plus. That particular course, you're getting it for 25,000 naira. And as a bonus, I actually added a video of how you can buy stuff, use your Naira bank card to make payments. And I also included contacts of shipping company. This particular shipping company I gave to this my student, I included their contact in that course. So you can go get it on Seller. The link will be down in the description. That one is going for 25,000 naira only. So that's that about this video. I know you've learned one or two from this video. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.